Hey guys, what's up? Kento here. Over in Kobe, I have this good friend here. He has a store. He fixes MacBooks, all kinds of computer stuff. I've had my laptop upgraded. A friend of mine had their phone smashed. He came by real quick, fixed it in a few minutes. The charges were very cheap too. My phone was fixed. He changed the battery in it it was just 3,000 yen. So very good prices, real quick. Very friendly environment. I'm getting my MacBook, my laptop. I forgot my password, so he's helping me fix that, just as service for fun. So yeah, if you guys have anything to do with computers or phones that need to be fixed or any of that, this is the location I would suggest you guys to come to. It's located in Motomachi in Kobe, and very friendly environment. Why not give it a try, guys? Check out the blog too. I wrote a little thing, and we'll probably be doing a few more advertisements for this place too. So check it out. Peace, guys. Yay! All right, peace.